My people, they don't arrest the former governor of Imo State for now. We don't know his name, that Senator Okorocha, and they arrest him alongside his wife. My people, matter reach me say the reason why they arrest these people now because the present governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, lock one place estate if una see houses within that place. No be chewing gum. In con lock am, and the reason why lock am, in say na stolen money. Say they use illegal money, they use money where they thief build that place. So now the matter they on ground because these people now they talk to now they police station, they try to settle the matter, and this matter where they bring una now. Court even dey inside o. So him go the place, break the place, he carry people along, make they go break the place, violate the law. So now they dey police station. So for now, we don't know wetin dey happen now for Imo State because e dey on fire. Join me, make we watch the video.
And nobody can thwart this petition. Hey. No. Relax. Bring it up.
See how Imo State now the boy. This one a serious fight. We get Rochas gang, we can't get Hope gang, and two of them can't get personal assistant. They get thugs. So now they don't bring each other people. Now they fight themselves. The problem when Nigeria get now our leaders. I don't say we get other ones, but these ones they be the main problem, the head. How governor, present governor, the one where they on seat, how you go lock one place? You, because you be former governor, you come say the opener. What did they give una liver? Imagine say the time where this one, Okorocha, imagine say the time when they on seat, person do and this kind of thing. Now we say we no go hear word, but now if they can't do it to another person. See, the way all these politicians just they behave sometimes, I do wonder whether now the same people where they sit down, they get meeting together. I know they support anybody. Every day they tell on this thing. Me, I just they follow, I just they support person where do the right thing. I no get one favorite party, one favorite governor. I know they inside that one because we don't even know each other. What they do for behind. You understand? And I know say right now, many of una go come they tell me say, we know they support Hope because of this one. I get 100 reasons. Biko. Many of una way they make this statement. Now because una never see what they talk about. If una see the estate, the apartments where they inside, I know say we never go heaven, but some places there in this world, if you just enter, it be like say you don't taste heaven. I beg, where this woman they bring this money because they thought say the estate now for Governor Okorocha's wife. Where this money come from? Una don't ask una self. And they go to say money no day. How come? No, which business this woman they do? Which job should they do? How much be her salary? Because if we even calculate all these things, the 8 years tenure where this guy did there, Governor Okorocha, if you combine all that money together, I beg you now, no go tell me say now wait to build this estate. Waiting. Some kind amount it just they blow my mind. They make me like, hey, one person. This one pass, he pass. Whether a president wife self. Even if na president why we build this thing, I still no go agree. Where the money and with the cry say money no dey. See, and they even come outside now, they disgrace each other. APC members, for now, we don't know, two of them, they belong to APC, birds of the same feathers. They just they disgrace themselves. They come outside, they do this one. See, my people, make a tell you something. Even this what did they call her? Uzodinma himself. Where they come outside, they do like good man. They do. If he come outside now, swear, say he never touch 1 naira wey no belong to him. If he come out now, tell us, say he never see now because they be the same thing. Now why they tell us say I no dey for anybody? Even this one now wey dey do, e dey come fight now. Good man, good this, good that. Go check am. Tomorrow now, im matter go come outside, una eye go come open. Right, Chineke. Now see that one now. Don't go. Ngwanu, this police station now where they don't go. We know the result already. No need, see, we don't even need start a debate, start a shout plenty things. See, we know the result. If this man Kukuma stay there, if at all he stay, he no go even stay up to 24 hours. Not today. You know, say as he even cross leg. He cross leg like say he go visit person for prison. We know. He no go last. Before you know now, we go see them, they parade for outside. See, the thing wey even dey shock me now be say these two people where they talk about, but I even reach me say they be friends before. Say I don't even know wetin can happen now. See, youth, all of una if una like kill una self for politicians. OYO, you are on your own. Kill yourself because now they use una. They fight this their fight. This same hope wey be governor now, una go see am. He go still use money. Nigeria money, go build your own. No worry. And the next governor will go come sit, he go come disgrace am too. See, na like that, trade by barter. Each person get your own turn. So make una no dey deceive now because he come outside say they try fight this one. See, all of una, make I tell una something, politicians, until una give us justice where we need. Now so karma go dey jump from one house to another house like that. Until una provide justice for this country, for people wey don't go, even people wey still dey. Una go continue to dey face karma. Una never say anything. This all una dey do. Una just the beginning. Una go see. Una go dey fight una self. So una go even tired to dey fight. Una never say anything. And as una dey fight, now so each other go dey bring each other secrets. Una go dey expose una self. And we go sit down here. They wait because we need here all the atrocities wey una don commit. This one self, I dey show say na one of the list of the properties where these people build with our money. Are they sure? Another one still there. So my people, and I bring this matter now because this one don't pass human being power. It pass our power. So waiting on our guests to talk now concerning this. And waiting they supposed to do to this governor wife. Because it is very, very important. This woman no fit just go free like that. Now billions will they talk about. You understand? So drop your comment for the comment section. Anything where you think is supposed to happen to them. And make sure say you share this video so that everybody will know what they happen. Subscribe if you never subscribe. Stay tuned for our next story. Bello Matawalle, now governor for Zamfara State, and in the meeting with President Buhari, they talk for security matters, and it happened for Abuja. So this man, upon all the English and school where the people talk say you go, now no go believe wetin it come out as conclusion. Relax, make I tell you now first. He say not all criminals where they waka with weapons, because they be bad people. He says some of them they waka with weapons based on the injustice and bad treatment where they receive from members of the society. You know, and he say, and not all of them be criminals. Not all bandits be criminals. Say, if you investigate the matter very well, you go find out say they take law into their hands because they cheated, like all these vigilante groups. They say they cheat them. Say most of them, they could just meet them, kill their cows, in fact, they harass them. Now, why did they take law into their own hands? I beg, before I start anything, bring this man outside. So now, they justify people bad behavior. They justify criminal action. No problem. I agree with you. I agree with you, sir. You know why? Because not all mad people wey they see for road, they decrease. Now they say tramadol, they very cheap. If you get this code where I just told you, will not say they refer to you. I don't even need to tell you. Not all criminals. I don't just understand. So how you go use these two words for one sentence? Criminals, bandits. Criminals, harmless. I know they get where these people they get. Wait, I get one question. Is it that these people they know they sit down for mirror, practice what they can't tell us before they go can't tell us? or they know they record their voice, then listen to them again before you come public. Because if they listen to wetin they can't tell us hours before they come outside, maybe their conscience fit tell them say, bros, you don't fall fuck up for this side. You understand? Because I know they get this thing. I still they look for explanation. And they look for answer. I know they see am. Hey, criminals. So wait, oh, when they try tell me now, say wetin this man they talk, they say if person enter your house with gun, all in the name of he's hungry. Let me say that person, he no be criminal because he dey hungry. Now wetin they tell us? Criminal is a criminal. If you are hungry and you enter into somebody's house, go without a gun and beg for food. The moment you dey carry gun, I be say you get another intention. So I no content me say they are no criminals. No problem now. I just dey hope say when these same people kill any of your family members, you go defend them the way they defend them now. I no wan hear two sides of the story. The same way you come out with boldness, you open mouth, they tell us this matter. When any of your family member die due to these people, I beg, come tell us the same thing. So now you just they tell us, say, you see, just come outside straight. Because it be like say this man, he dey benefit something from these people. All of you now be the same. I don't dey talk this everything. You don't dey turn to song. All of you now the same thing. Let me say our tax money, they enter voicemail every time because they use negotiate with these people, buy them weapons. Now they give them gods now to come outside. They defend them. They make everybody make everybody all of una wey no say you, if you know say they in charge of prison, jail houses, all those things, make we start to lock them down. Remove every prisoner from all the prisons. Yes, now because now everybody get excuse. If headsmen get excuse, no, please, if you know you have raped, that's the reason why you're in prison, or you kill somebody, or you stole something, you are free. Because you also have a reason. Why did you kill? Because the society is treating you bad. Abi, everybody get reason. So may they remove everybody where they inside prison. Not all terrorists are evil. Some of them are angels. Not all armed robbers are bad. Some of them are your friends. Nonsense upon the rubbish, upon the things that you people are just talking. Every day you come out with different things. You know, like this, you just come out, go embarrass yourself. You just come out and embarrass yourself. Which one be harmless bandits? Harmless bandits. I'm not sure say this man know the meaning of bandits. Because if you know the meaning of bandits, you know go use harmless inside the same sentence. And like you don't understand continuation of the word in the same English, in the same sentence. You understand? Because I'm not sure say these people go school. Definitely, these people dey on drugs. They don't. No, this is not normal. This is not adults of this age. Come outside, they tell us say bandits are harmless. And you people think these people are normal. Make una sit down there. Abi una dey watch them. See people who wanna come out for sun, they vote. Because that year, I remember how the queue been long, Sunday. Everybody want rush, so una they vote for Zamfara. When go know that don't say amo. People wey una they vote for, una put them for that seat. Uneducated condoms. My people, I beg, una don't hear amo. So they don't give us definition. I mean, they don't give us reasons why some people be criminals. Now this one, wait till nothing say go happen. Now be say you don't they give go ahead to people where already they never start, but they don't they plan to start. You don't ginger them. You don't give them high morale. Now be say now they go enter street, now go they misbehave. Now wait till these people they know they go. I beg, drop your comment for the comment section because before they say I don't call insult person papa. So drop and there, make sure say you share this video so that this man will hear me. You understand? And if you never subscribe, have fun. I just click on that and support your girl. Stay tuned for our next story.